Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to study about the subject that is Animal Diversity 3. In that, chapter 4, that is Introduction to Superclass Pisces. And now we are going to study about the types of fins in fishes. Before that, what we studied the general characteristics of the class superclass Pisces. In that, Pisces superclass Pisces is divided into three subclasses, that is class Placodermi, which is extinct class, so class Chondrichthyes and class Ostreichthyes. So class Chondrichthyes is a class of bony fishes, and class Ostreichthyes, that is all cartilaginous fishes, are included in the class Ostreichthyes. Now we are going to study about the types of fins in fishes. So there are two types of fins in species mainly, and the fins are the chief or the main organ for the locomotion. With the help of fin, fish can swim. Okay, so the fins are the fold of skin or the projections from the body. Okay, so what else? So here must be fins. Okay, so fins are the fold of skin or projection from the body surfaces. Fins are supported by the fin rays. So the fin rays may be cartilaginous or it may be a bony. Okay, so types of fin, as we know that median unpaired fins and paired, that is lateral fins are there. So mid dorsal and mid ventral line of the body. So this is the location of median unpaired fin, and paired fins are present on the, that is trunk region of the body. So pelvic and the pectoral fins are the paired fins and others are the unpaired fin. So now you can see in this diagram, so this is the dorsal side, this is the ventral side, this is the posterior side, and this is the anterior side. Okay, so you can see in this diagram, so the dorsal fin, caudal fin, anal fin, pelvic fin, and the pectoral fin. As we know that the pectoral fin and pelvic fin are the paired fins and others are the unpaired fin. So the next is the median unpaired fins. As we know that the location, that is there are four types of fins, that is dorsal fin. So dorsal fin are first dorsal or the anterior, and the second is second dorsal or the posterior fins are there. Next is ventral anal fin, and next is caudal or the tail fin is there. You can, as we know that the paired fins are of two types, that is pectoral fin and the pelvic fin. So pelvic fin are also known as posterior fin, and the pectoral fin are also known as anterior fins. So the pectoral fins, location of the pectoral fin is on the both side behind the operculum. As we know that operculum is nothing but the covering of the gills. So behind the operculum, paired pectoral fins are there. So function of the pectoral fins are they support during the swimming. Again, the pectoral fins create the dynamic lifting force which helps the fish to turn left and the right. Next is pelvic fin. So as we know that paired pelvic fins are present. So the location is ventrally below and behind the pectoral fins. In some fishes, pelvic fins are situated in front of pectoral fins. Function of these is helps in stability and slowing down the fish, and main important function, it is upward and the downward movement in the water. It is because of this type of fin. Okay, so the uses of fins. So fins are mainly required for the swimming. Caudal fin or the tail fins are required. So it is a steering devices and the radars. As we know that cars are there, so cars having the steering devices. Okay, so steering devices are required for the direction, okay, at the time of driving car. Same here, the tail fins act as a steering devices or the radars. With the help of these fins, we can fishes can take the direction upward downward, left or the right. Again, these fins are required for the equilibrium, that is paired lateral fins, it is required for the equilibrium. There are certain modifications of the fins. Some fishes, for example, lungfishes, use their fins for the walking. Again, gliding. Okay, so flying fish, that is use pectoral fin for the gliding. Claspers are nothing but the modification of the fins, and in male Chondrioctes, that is male Chondrioctes, the pelvic fins are modified into claspers. Claspers are the modification of the pelvic fin which is required for the transfer of the sperm. Okay, again that next is adhesive disc or the sucker. In some fishes, for example in remoras, anterior dorsal fin, it forms a adhesive disc. So adhesive disc and sucker or the head, again it is a modification of the fin. Again the next modification is ovipositor. In some teleost fishes, the anal fin forms an intermittent organ or the ovipositor. As we know that the female reproductive tract, it shows the paired genital organ, that is ovipositor. So the ovipositor is present in teleost fishes. So in teleost fishes, the female the anal fin is modified into ovipositor.